There are many new additions to the Form 941 to reflect the tax relief available to employers during the third quarter. To help filers complete the revised Form 941 successfully, they have included Worksheet 1. Let's take a look into Worksheet 1 and its significance. This worksheet is not mandatory, but could be very helpful for any business owner who has taken advantage of the tax credits during the third quarter of 2020. This includes paid sick leave credits, paid family leave credits, and employee retention credits. At first glance, Worksheet 1 can look intimidating. It is important to note that not all employers will have to complete all three portions of the form. Let's take a moment to break down the worksheet and take a closer look at what is required. The end result of Step 1 will be the remaining employer's share of Social Security. This amount can then be further used for deductions in Step 2 and Step 3. Step 2 applies to sick leave and family leave credits. This section will assist filers in determining what amounts of wages are eligible for refundable tax credits and what amount is non-refundable. Step 3 refers to the employee retention credit. This section will help filers determine what portion of their employees' wages are eligible for refundable tax credits and what wages are non-refundable. When you file your Form 941 with TaxBandits, you are able to utilize Worksheet 1. Much like with your Form 941, completing Worksheet 1 electronically will help you avoid errors. If you have questions throughout your e-filing process, feel free to reach out to our support team. With the third quarter deadline for Form 941 approaching on November 2nd, 2020, now is a great time to begin e-filing your form. Get started today.